Excuse my appearance right now. I'm looking like a beat up big toe. I did my hair earlier today, so it's a little fluffy. Like, it needs to be wrapped and then slept on. Like, if you have relaxed hair, you know, you need to sleep on it after you wash it. So I'm going to be decluttering my apartment right now. I've been editing all freaking day, and finally I have a little bit of break before my video fully uploads and then processes to the YouTube channel before I have to do anything else. So I'm going to use this as an opportunity to go through my wardrobe, pull things out that I haven't even thought about, don't even touch, don't even use. You guys know I do this regularly because I am not attached. I don't hold attachments to things in my life. Like, if I haven't use something, it serves no purpose for me to hold on to it, especially living in a studio apartment. Like, I would do this all the time in my one-bedroom apartments, my loft apartments. Like, it's just who I am. It's like a seasonal habit thing that I do. So I want to go into my closet today. I want to do the bathroom sink and the cabinets under there, and I would also like to do my God, I really don't want to touch the makeup today. I feel like that's going to be a whole day project, so let's just ignore that. Let's focus on the closet, the bathroom. I already did the kitchen area last night, so let's do this thing. I'm so excited, and I encourage you guys to declutter your spaces as well. This is just something that I like to do for therapy. Like, I literally feel like weight is being lifted off of my shoulders, and it makes sense, right? Like, you're getting rid of one less thing in your life that you have to think about or worry about, right? So I love this. Let's get to work. At the end of the week, you know, my closet can be a little bit of a mess because I'm trying on so many different clothes, putting it in a place where it doesn't belong, not properly folding things up. So one of the shelves that is the biggest issue for me is like loungewear, like comfy cozy clothes. So I need to kind of downsize, hey honey, downsize the things that I have and organize them in a way that makes sense to me. I also need to try on these jeans because I don't know if they fit good, and if they do, okay, cool, we can put them back in the closet. All right, I've also got some shoes here which I don't wear, haven't worn, don't think I'm gonna wear them, but I will try them on and see how they look and how they fit, and we'll go from there. I always just take things out that I'm not sure about sizing. Is the style my style right now? Do I think I'm gonna wear it within the next month? If the answer is no, it's gotta go. Things like that. So for me, the closet is definitely the most essential place to organize. But it usually looks like this for the most part. I do have a lot of shoes thrown around, so I need to get this organized and figure out a little bit better of a solution for that. But all my black boots and stuff are up there. I have my handbags. So this is what I love, folded things, right? It makes me want to get dressed. All of my shorts and skirts. This would be where all of my loungewear goes, which needs to be organized and downsized. And then I have some more shoes and all of my swimwear, which also needs to be decluttered, but I just don't have the patience to try on everything in here. So that I'll save for another day, another time. I just pulled out those shoes, which are in this container. I'll actually try to link this down below. It is such a great piece if you have a small space. Maybe you're even just looking for shoe storage. It was so inexpensive, and I've had this exact thing for like 7 years. So I highly recommend you guys get one of those. Just really drives me nuts when I have stuff that is just not properly folded and I can't exactly see, like on these shelves, like I can't see what I have because it's mumbled and jumbled up. But I have to say, I'm loving all the color that's going on in my wardrobe. So that's a great start for now. And I definitely encourage you dolls to declutter your closet or even your bathroom cabinet, which I'm about to do right now. And I've been dreading this because I love workout clothes so much. Oh my God, do you see this? I can't even open up, oh my gosh, my workout drawer. Obviously with two hands it would be easier. But when the thing is packed, look at this. When the thing is packed, you know you have issues. Okay, my thing here is I hoard workout clothes. Honestly, I wear the same gray tights all of the time. They are my favorite. Best believe I wash them all of the time because they're my favorite from Fabletics. Look, there's a lot of stuff in here that is maybe overworn, stuff that doesn't even fit me right now because I have been on my weight loss journey. A lot of these tights are too big and they don't fit me in the waist area. Like these I know for a fact are too loose on me. So I need to separate the stuff that is too big and just get rid of it. I don't plan on gaining the weight back, so why the heck do I still have it in my workout attire? I don't know, but I'm gonna pull all this stuff out. When you declutter, you have to pull everything out. You can't just declutter around all the stuff that you have. You have to see what you have and ask yourself, does this fit? Like, do I love this sports bra? Do I feel cute in it? Does it make me want to reach for it on the regular basis? When was the last time I wore it? You know, you have to ask yourself those questions. And also, like, is it in good condition? I don't know about you, but I don't like to be wearing dingy stuff. Like, if it's overworn, it has got to go. Is there a stain? Is there a hole? I don't even like this. That's why I don't wear it. That's got to go pile. I am tired, I'm exhausted. It's been a good hour or so and I've gotten rid of all of this stuff. It's a lot more than what it looks like on camera, so super excited about that. Made a lot of space in my dresser, in my closet. Got rid of stuff that I don't use, I'm not going to use, so guess what, it's gotta go. And I already feel so much lighter. I feel like I have less worries, less stress. This was exactly what I needed for my own personal therapy. Cleaning and decluttering just does the body, mind, and soul so good. So I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!